Hi friends, a very warm welcome to our channel. I'm Chanda Mama and this is Chanda Mama bringing you a new story today. The story's title is Chili Powder. So let's move towards the story. Robbery cases had increased in the Kanchanwan. Baddy Jackal, Buntu Wolf and Blackie Pig would rob animals of their mobiles, money or jewelry. They terrorized the entire jungle, yet the police had not able to catch them. Animals were being robbed not only at night but also in broad daylight. Baddy, Buntu, and Blackie were even stealing from children. It was indeed a sorry state. One day, Goat's kid Munmun was coming home from tuitions. The three rogues stopped him midway, beat him up, and snatched his cycle, watch, and mobile. Munmun came home crying. When Minu came to know about what had happened, she took him with her to the police station. The police officer, the dum-dum elephant, was busy enjoying a sugarcane stick. Police officer, my kid has been robbed by thieves. Minu had tears in her eyes while narrating the recent events. So, what should I do? Why do you leave your children alone? Dum Dum said dismissively. I've told everybody to take care of their children, but nobody listens. Then everyone comes running to me when they are robbed. You deserve what happened to you. Go away. Neither will I write a report nor I'll go after the robbers. Please, police officer, do something, Minu pleaded. With great difficulty, I bought him a cycle for Munnu. I'll be careful from next time. Please help me get the cycle back. All right, said Dum Dum. He turned towards Inspector Lallu Monkey and said, Lallu, jot down her report. Okay, sir. Lallu called Minu to his desk and began writing the report on the basis of her complaint. After a while, just before she was leaving the police station, Dum Dum stopped and asked her, You sell milk, right? Yes, sir, replied Minu. Then send me 5 liters of milk in the morning. If I will drink milk, only then will I get sufficient energy to be able to run after the thieves, said Dum Dum. Right now, I have to go and catch sugarcane thieves. See, that is why I am having sugarcane for energy. The farmer, who is the victim, has given me 100 sugarcane sticks. Minu was angry at his words, but before she could say anything, many bulls came inside holding Baddy, Buntu and Blackie. These are the thieves who have robbed me, police uncle, said Moon Moon, as he immediately recognized them. Arise these thieves. They were robbing a child, but he was very smart. He put chili powder in their eyes and then caught them, or else they would have escaped again, said Manku Bull. Dum Dum got irritated and said, they look quite decent to me. You are deliberately bothering them. Tell me the truth or I'll thrash you in the lockup. Dad, what has happened to you? Since when have the robbers started looking decent to you? Asked Dum Dum's son Gajju, who just entered the police station. Son, what are you doing here? Asked Dum Dum. He was surprised to see Gajju at the police station. Dad, I have come to the police station to get the thieves arrested, replied Gajju. Oh, so you are Dum Dum's sons, sir. You are very brave. Had not you put the powdered chili in their eyes, the thieves would have not been caught. Manku praised Gajju. I have been keeping an eye on them for the past few days. Today I saw them running away after robbing my friend Munmun. I was prepared as I had started keeping chili powder in my pocket. That's the reason why I put the powder in their eyes and you completed the rest of the job. Gajju laughed. Oh, so this goat's kid is your friend? Dum Dum asked. Yes, Dad, replied Gajju. Then I'll teach them a lesson that they will remember for the rest of their lives. He turned towards his constables and ordered them to lock up the thieves. Dad, they are not robbed. Had they not robbed my friend and robbed someone else, you would not have taken action against me? Questioned Gajju. Dum Dum replied that his sin was right in questioning his behavior. He felt ashamed and said, "Sorry, son, I was wrong. You have done my job for me. I should have caught these thieves long ago. Now, I'll change my attitude and work to be as an honest officer." Hearing this, Gajju was very happy, and so were all others around him. Meenu came forward and patted Gajju's head lovingly and said, "If you would not have been there, Munmun's cycle would have been lost forever." "Where are his cycle, watch and mobile?" she asked. "Yes, Gajju, tell me." Munmun was also curious to know. "Everything is in my house. Come and take it," Gajju said. Munmun was happy and relieved to hear this. Then Gajju, along with Munmun and his mother, left the police station and walked towards his house. At the police station, the robbers were locked up behind the bars. After their arrest, the robbery automatically stopped in Kanchanwan. Gajju's foresight, bravery, and intelligence restored peace and quiet in Kanchanwan. So this was the story, The Chili Powder, published in the Champak magazine. In case if you have not subscribed to our channel, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Till then, stay safe and take care of yourself before we meet again with the next episode with a new story. Thank you.